i35equipment.com. This is Takeuchi TL12 tractor compact loader skid steer. Just me out here today because we've got a bunch of sick folk around. Hopefully they'll be all on the mend quickly and be able to get another video going. This will be a nice long video. We're going to start it, check the motor for blow by, and everything else. Talking to your phone update inventory equipment on i35equipment.com. Start, we'll check the oil. Gotta have that off right there, and I just want to have it easily accessible for a one-handed later when we check for blow-by. This machine has not been started today. Just a heads up. See where your oil level is. Try to get that focus for you. Kind of hard to see, but right there at the top is right on the line because there's the dot. You can see where the dot is for perfect, and it's right up against it. Bear with me, try to do everything while holding a phone for a camera. Here's the specs on your motor that you can read about while I'm getting that finished up. As you see, it is the Kubota diesel motor. No def required on this machine. Can leave that open so we can easily get back here and open that for checking for blow-by. Hydraulic fluid is about right there. We are sitting down the incline here. Check out this under here before we get started and running. Brand new rubber tracks. See, that was greased from when the track pressure was released. These things, you just put your ratchet in there and pull up, and also stay in the up position for releasing. Open this handle, let this up here, and that slides up. If you're unfamiliar, I'm a big fan of that design because I have been caught inside of a Caterpillar skid steer before when the engine shut off due to a fuel filter getting clogged, and then the arm was up and couldn't get the door off. Even with the safety removed, I had to end up going out the back window. So I like a door that slides up like this. Take a look around the side here for a minute. See all the switches. Got a key here. comes right up. Rabbit, right now. We're gonna hit this and go back turtle. You can see, you can hear the slowdown. Full spin. Topsoil that was dumped here probably 2 years ago, maybe a little longer now. We're gonna go to turtle speed. We're gonna go up here and get a big bucket lift. Show you in digging capability. I want to make sure my teeth are facing a little bit down. Kind of pull up on it as we go. It's a big old bucket full. mechanic, or hire a local mechanic, or bring yours with you to check it out, just give us a call. Schedule an appointment. We'll meet you out